ready. Let's go. Let's do this. What up?
What's up?
I guess.
That actually looks pretty comfortable.
Actually, it's probably cleaner than a carpet too. Wait,
And blanket, and I'll sleep on the side of that.
There's probably like another blanket. There you go. You can use this.
Yo, but this is like a bed sheet though.
Yo, I don't need no blanket.
It's like it's not even thick.
Good.
Yo, I'm saying let's just cuddle.
Yo, alright.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Dip.
Come here.
Good job.
Dip the seat. Come here. Conscious. We at it. Hey. We at it. We at it.
Yeah, we at it.
We in the building.
We at it.
We're not in a building.
We'll park near the art gallery in Ontario and walk there.
We're outside the building.
We're in the building. Where are we going?
Going to Min Bao.
Min Bao!
Salad King. Like
What a loser.
thing.
What a loser.
Salad. I'm a white girl, but I still get sausage.
Wake up from the camera. I didn't sleep, but I just.
So Abby and I found a bird, pigeon actually.
Named them Fat Wing.
Yeah.
We raised them when we were younger. It's like the scene from Pokemon where Ash releases Butterfree. We're doing the same thing with Fat Wing.
Now where are we going?
We're gonna go to Min Bao. Min Bao.
What's Min Bao?
Min Bao Bao. It's just Bao. How do you not know Bao?
요즘 매일 난 꿈속에 사는 것 같아 아직도 난 이런 삶이 익숙지 않아 너와 함께 있을 때 낮에도 별들이 반짝거려
Where are we right now?
We are Toronto and Min Bao.
You excited?
Yes.
Okay, so that one is like spicy chicken something, and that's crazy.
Are you excited to eat it? What'd you get?
Chicken and pork belly. Chicken.
Chicken and the other one's pork belly?
Yeah.
And what did you get for your dumplings?
It's I think cabbage. Red
Cabbage?
Red cabbage. Yeah.
Are you excited to eat?
Yes. What did you get?
I got braised beef. We got some pork belly right here. I also got pork and shrimp dumplings.
So
And sausage here.
okay.
Abby's out loud.
Okay. So you're excited about that?
Very excited. I heard very good things about this place. So Abby,
Yes.
what'd you get?
I got pork and
Still
shrimp
here?
siu mai. I got chicken. But then this one's the sloppy Jones.
So you excited to eat?
I am excited actually.
Very excited. Alright, shall we dig in?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do this. 잘 먹겠습니다.
알수 있을 것만 같아 내게 너무 바쁘네 내겐 정말 아까워 누가 봐도 아름다운 그대 가지고 싶은 그대 말도 안 돼 내 여자라니 내겐 과감해
East and West in the building, what's your names?
Oh, yo, what?
Where we at?
We're at Dano Competition.
Oh, it's a video.
Dano Daniel's nostrils. Dano's nostrils, yes. not Dylan's nostrils. Yes.
Ew, you're not clean. Over here. Pixie cut over here.
Pixie cut is what? Tinkerbell.
Back on topic, so what are we doing?
East to West is getting ready to win this.
Oh, okay. Okay, get your hands off me.
Oh.
Thinking y'all can beat Ottawa? Before though, good luck. I hope you guys die on stage, because Ottawa's going to take it all.
Okay.
Are we at it? Where we at?
Dano! Oh, Dano. Salja!
What are you guys going to do today?
Bring my ass! Oh no. Yeah.
Take first place is what I'm saying, because I already threatened East to West saying that you guys were gonna win, but
Oh, well, that's awkward.
so if you don't win, I'm kind of screwed.
Oh.
Crazy turnout, huh? Yeah, I think I took them. What did I say?
You said to keep on trying, baby. And it's not the end. You said everything.
누가 봐도 우린 참 지금 가까워 너만의 sunshine 난 널 sunflower 반가워 내 삶에 들어왔어 한참 헤매고 드디어 만났어 조금 어색했던 첫 만남이 우연인 척 원이 하는 바람이 만개한 곡들과 함께한 시간이 계절이 바뀌어도 난 너를 좋아해